and welcome to SurveyOL.com help videos. Today I'm going to show you how to create a multiple choice question. First thing you want to do is go ahead and click on a new survey and give your title for your survey. We'll say multiple choice questions. You can give it a background. We'll just give it light green. Go on next, add questions. Okay, so to add a multiple choice, you want to look in your question types list, and you have two different ways you can do it. You can grab and drag and drop it into the specified area, or you click on new question and select from a list. So we'll go ahead and click on multiple choice. First thing you want to do is go ahead and enter in your question. We'll say, which month do you like for springtime? And you can either use a radio button or checkboxes. Obviously with radio button, they only get one selection, and with multiple, like checkboxes, they can select more than one. If you want to look at predefined choices, you can click on this, and we've got some predefined choices, but we're not going to use that for this particular instance. What we're going to do is we'll add in the spring months, so we'll say March, April, and we'll just say May. And since we like those, we'll go ahead and save. And this is what it looks like currently. We can go ahead and preview, and you can see they can select more than. Right, we'll go back to design, and we'll go ahead and create a multiple choice grid. So we'll click on a new question and look for grid multiple choice. Now here you're going to have basically what's known as grid selections. So on the left hand side, your rows will have an answer, and then the columns will be the coordinating responses the user can use. So for this particular instance, we'll stick with springtime, and we'll say, which days of the week do you like during springtime? And we can go ahead and keep the months. And you go on the right hand side and click on add if you want to add in another row. Okay. You can also subtract a row if you'd like to. So on the left hand side, it's going to say March, April, May, and then across the top we'll go ahead and put the days of the week. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, now you can make this required, which is down here, or give one response per column. That's completely up to you. But we'll go ahead and save it. So this is what our grid's going to look like. Which days of the week do you like during springtime? So these are our spring months, and these are the days of the week. We'll go ahead and preview this. And as you can see, we gave this for radio buttons, so they only get one selection per month. We can go back to preview, and if we click on the grid, I want to give them more than one selection, so I'm going to switch this over to multi. So now they can use checkboxes to choose as much as they want to. Click on save, and now you can see it's now checkboxes, and we'll preview it just to make sure. And they are allowed to have more than one selection. And this is how you are able to create multiple choice questions. Thanks for your time.